Hey guys, it's Hair by Jess, and I'm bringing a hair tutorial to you guys. So this is to a wig I had been letting sit in a drawer, and I had been working on, and then I had felt kind of overwhelmed with how I was going to finish it until a couple weeks ago. So this is quite a bit of party space it has. It goes smack down the middle of the unit. Temple to temple. So that's end of your eyebrow to the other end of your eyebrow. The tail ends. So I want to let you guys see me put this together, and I'll chime in on the other parts in which I need to break things down for you guys. So the hair I used was Expressions braiding hair in the color Burgundy or red, and then this black hair that you see is Spectra braid, the pre-stretch braiding hair in the color black, color 1. And I'm going to let you guys watch and how I pull everything together. And so the key here is why I'm crocheting a certain amount of hair and then sectioning it off and braiding each piece is to create a braid out look, which you guys will see at the end of this video. And so eventually I did finish it, so I'm running some hot water in my pail. So I got this pail from the Dollar Tree, like to save a coin. I'm going to use that conditioner, Castor oil conditioner, and I'm just filling up that bottle so I can get more of the conditioner out. Stir it in the water, pouring it in. I'm going to dip this in this hot water. And a key I forgot to add in here is once I've done this, once I did do this, I let it take a couple of days along with some minor blow drying for this unit to almost dry before I took the hair down. So this is the aftermath of me taking the hair down, and the final look is next. And I named her Cherry Chocolate Jam. So I'm not entirely sure if she will be available for purchase. I will make the announcement in the future if anything changes. The look came out great. It came out better than I expected. I had to trim her a lot and trim and layer her a lot to get her together, but it's a very full look, and it's for anyone who likes bold color. Until next time.